One great upgrade I've done to the motorhome is to convert the door lock from a manual lock to an electric lock. It's a Camac electric lock, so it is a like-for-like replacement. It's a simple do-it-yourself installation, takes approximately 30 minutes. The door lock itself can be powered two ways. One is 12 volt permanent connection and the other is batteries. I chose the battery option. They last approximately 12 months and you will have an audible alert as the battery needs replacing. Very simple to use. There are three ways to unlock and lock the door. One is via a wristband, which is an optional purchase. The other is a small fob, which can sit on a set of keys, or you can use the key itself. Locking and unlocking from the inside is a push of a button. Depending on where you purchase it from, it's approximately $250. It's a great addition, very simple to use.